Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shaping One News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose in improving my knowledge in English only. Nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is our today article. No language should be imposed on Tamil Nadu till the state is ready for it. Congress MPs say the national education policy was formulated without any structured discussion, and while his party opposes the imposition of any language, it has never been against Hindi. He further says the Congress will have a discussion on to formulate its position on delimitation, and states have raised fear over the exercise primarily because of the center's refusal to have a conversation. Article written by Subhana K. Nair. Interview Manikem Tagore, a three-time Lok Sabha member from Tamil Nadu Congress, whip in the Lok Sabha and member of the Congress Working Committee. Manikem Tagore lays down the nuance between the Congress position and the stand of its ally Dravid Munitra Kazagam on two issues: delimitations and three language policy that dominated parliament last week. Excerpts Last week saw a heated debate on the national education policy in both houses of parliament. The government's claim DMK is obfuscating the narrative and that it does not seek to impose any language. What is the Congress stand on this issue? The national education policy was formulated without any structured discussion inside or outside parliament. It is clearly discriminatory, exclusionary, seeks to centralize education and promotes privatization. It is not a national education policy but RSS education policy. In 2020, Tamil Nadu MPs meet the then education minister, but our concerns were ignored. After unilaterally bringing the policy, the center is now forcing the state to adopt it by threatening to waive without the central fund an amount of 2152 crore rupee under PM Shri that was owed to Tamil Nadu has not been released, which is unacceptable. The RSS believe in bulldozing rather than having a conversation. This attitude is danger for the federal structure. We oppose this gunpoint impositions of the policy. Does the Congress agree with the DMK stand on the issue? Bihar elections are due to a few months when the Congress, along with its ally in Tamil Nadu, has taken a strident anti-Hindi position in Tamil Nadu. How does it go and conveys for voters in Bihar? We have to understand that the DMK has had a legacy of making an anti-Hindi position, and Tamil Nadu has a history of anti-Hindi struggles going back to the pre-independence era. The union's government, like the previous Congress-led government, should have been more sensitive toward Tamil Nadu on the questions of three-language policy. No language should be imposed on Tamil Nadu till the state is ready for it. Our state, until in Tamil Nadu, supports the two-language policy. The Congress for all India languages and its many dialects. At the same time, we will oppose the imposition of any one language. But let me unequivocally state the Congress has never been against Hindi. We don't see everything in the binary of black and white. Let us not confuse the DMK stand with the Congress stand. We are a national party with presence of Kanyakumari to Kashmir, and the DMK is the state party. The other issue that dominated the parliament session last week was the impending delimitation. The DMK is leading to the protest on the subject. For the Congress, this again is a difficult issue. Your state unites in south and north may have different perspective on this. What is the party's position? The fear that the voice of the several states will be diminished here by many leaders is primarily because of the government refusal to have a conversation. The government is not saying what formula it will follow. They have not had a discussion with the stakeholder, oppositions or the Chief Minister, Home Minister Amit Shah, without any prior deliberations, proclaimed that no South Indian state will lose seat delimitation will be done on pro rata basis. What is this pro rata basis? Will seats in other states go up? Details are not known. This discussion started with Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin demand followed by Mr. Shah's remark, it is a complicated subject. We are a national party and lead by our president Mallikarjun Kharge. We have an internal discussion within our party to formulate our position. Considering the various shades of opinions on the two issues, should not India, which last met in June 2024, sit together to formulate a common position? The India bloc was a forum to maximize the coordination between the opposition party during the general election. The like-minded opposition party continue to coordinate with each other in parliament to decide the floor strategy in both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. And you saw the India Bloc Party came together on the issue of this parties in the voter list. Whenever there is a common issue, we work together. So guys, this is the today article. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet in next video tomorrow. Jai Hind.